We are out here in Somerton, Arizona at the Somerton Airport. Got a really pretty sky this morning, mountains all the way out there. Some hangar rows here. We are out here today. We're going to be doing a rudder workshop with Zenith. Got Sebastian came out here. It's one of the very first workshops that they've done outside of Mexico, Missouri. Should be pretty cool. We're going to build us a Zenith 701 rudder. I do own a 701, but we're just going to go ahead and build a rudder. We use it as some hangar art. We'll put it up in the hangar. We'll let people sign it as they come by, things like that, friends or whoever it is. But it should be a pretty fun weekend. They got a bunch of stuff going on tomorrow as well, some workshops. I think Carson from Whereworthy is supposed to be bringing his 750 out here. So we'll try to capture as much footage as we can this weekend. We'll try to compile it all for you guys, let you guys see what it was like. Alright guys, we got our manual here. Sebastian and them kind of went over a few things, over the tools, how the manual works, all that stuff. So we got introduction, getting started, kind of tells you the required tools, things like that inside here. You do a really good job with diagrams, all that stuff. We'll do diagrams against the instructions here. So each one of the instructions basically going down from start to finish, each step. So we'll go through there. I'm going to do a little bit of reading on this stuff, and then we'll get started. Rivet section ready to go. We'll get these riveted together. We'll put the rivets in the holes except for up on the tip. We've got the two up there, but we'll rivet these together first, and then we'll pull the clecos and we'll get the rest of them all riveted. Alright guys, we got everything all riveted in. Bottom section stays just clecoed in. Next step is going to be skin. guys. Got the skin here. You go ahead and do a edge deburr. That side one is clecoed in. Pretty good there. We get ready for the next set of instructions, and we'll get that going. We got our rudder all clecoed together here. Looks pretty good. Holes all line up. Looks pretty good. We're gonna get ready to rivet here next. Pretty excited with it. It's been pretty fun. Next stop is rudder controls. There we go, guys. She's all finished up. Rudder horns on. Nice little rudder. She's all set up. There we go. We'll get inspections on it. We'll start getting signatures.